Wow, that was challenging.
Dude, that was so, I almost died again just trying to get on the conveyor.
The lift, yeah. It was all
so
ice.
Sketch.
At Crest, it's snowing. Hardcore snowing right now.
I mean, that was, I almost said a few times.
Almost, huh?
Yeah.
I slipped right behind you on that spot.
Yeah, the whole thing was. It's all good.
It's all good. Okay.
Hey, let's not die.
No.
Well, we made it, babe.
Unbelievable.
Are we gonna try to go in the trees? I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm excited. I'm scared. Yeah, over here. You ready? Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right, so it's February 11th. We decided to come up here. We had brought everything, but I forgot our gloves, so we went down. Went to the Brighton gift shop or store and bought some crab hands. I went with the tri-finger, the sniper fingers. Jen went with the full mitt. Sometimes you're in a hurry to get to the snow, and you're like, "Where's my gloves?"
It's because you were putting on the headlamps.
Yeah, and the goggles are clear.
I feel like it kind of threw you off your game.
Well, the thing is I pulled up everything off our heater and put it on the bed.
Right.
And I looked, but
it's okay. You're only human. Will you turn my, when you're done?
Yeah.
Will you turn my light on?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm gonna push this up. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right, we got our lights on.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, don't die.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, don't die. Tune in Tokyo.
Crabby.
Crabby.
Okay.
All right, let's be careful.
Yeah.
Nice Mark hat, jacket. Nice jacket. Marpat has nice. Marine Corps, what's up, Marine Corps raw? It's like icy and icy underneath, and the snow is trying to pack down to be powder. There's a lot of ruts. Where's Radar Boy behind me? Yeah, we got lots of snow. A little icy there. I'm gonna try to peek in over here, you know what I'm saying? Go to Doyle's. Okay, just be careful. Yep. No, you're good. Just be careful. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo. Woo. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo, woo. Jen's taking the night stroll through the trees. Woo!
I thought it was a snake. What?
Woo, woo, woo! Woo, woo, woo! Woo, woo! Woo, woo, woo! Woo! Yeah. Jen says, feels good. Just a snake. Yeah. All right.
If we go over there.
That's easy. That was good.
You guys are gonna
Flow state after
It is. Clear goggles.
I was all over the trees.
Clear, huh?
I got yelled at by
I saw that.
I was like making my own line. I was like getting
That's good.
I followed him too closely in the park. Like he was hitting all the rails really slow, and I probably should have just like not followed him. But I was just hitting the rails right behind him. He hit me with a pole. He said, "Fuck you, dude," and hit me with his pole.
Oh. You deserve that.
Honestly, yeah, I should have let it be. Pickle shots. Dude, that was fun. Where is she? What's her name?
Molly.
I'm just doing the one.
Molly Green.
I thought that was actually her. You guys said that at first.
No, I asked her.
No, I saw you. Like,
and I was like,
dude, this smells so good. Oh my god, I would have felt so bad. I'm like making fun of this girl. Road to Kenya. Has that made it to your Instagram feed yet?
no,
actually kind of like the deck's the best part, but you're not gonna go on still.
Yeah, life's a game changer. Certain lunches in life. Yes. And brave enough to go on the trip.
Right? What? Right? Yeah. Oh, yes. Absolutely. I will follow you anywhere.
You get thirsty when you ski? I thought we were itching for crest.
That's icy.
Snake forever, this is a blind fade. Sit ball and tackle.